So hello and once again welcome to our crypto channel. Today we are going to discuss the possible move of Bitcoin and what is going to happen in our altcoins. So let's take a look at our crypto market first. Then we are going to discuss for our Bitcoin. So this is our crypto market. Somewhat looks green and somewhat looks red. And so we are in a neutral market if you see this chart. But let's talk about our Bitcoin. Then we will get a very good clear picture. So in my previous video, I told that we are going to see a dump to our $84,000 zone, that is this, and then further on to our $81,000 zone. And yesterday we saw same thing. So that's Bitcoin is currently moving as I told, same as I told. So this type of quality updates we will get in wholly here. So you have to subscribe our channel for this type of update. So now let's see what is now going to happen in Bitcoin. If you saw this zone, that is our $80,000 zone to our $81,000 zone. So don't shock if Bitcoin comes to this zone and then we will see a very good pump because if Bitcoin dumps to this zone, then it will grab many pending orders for long position. Then we will see a very good pump of Bitcoin. But for a good pump, Bitcoin needs to break this. 1 second, let me highlight the chart. Bitcoin needs to break this zone. This is our local resistance zone, but this is very important for to change the trend for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading in downtrend, but if Bitcoin break this zone, then we will see a uptrend in Bitcoin. So that's what is going to happen in Bitcoin. Let me mark the zone. What is this zone? If you saw, then this zone is approx $84,500 zone. Bitcoin needs to break this zone for to came under in a very uptrend, good uptrend. Then Bitcoin will pump to our this zone, that is our $87,600 zone. We can see $87,500 zone. Let me again highlight this. We will see this zone after breaking out of this zone, and then we will see this zone, that is our $92,000 area, and further on we will see another zones. But for this zones we have to fill this zone, and then Bitcoin needs to break this zone. These are the two main conditions that Bitcoin needs to satisfy if it wants to pump to this zone and this zone. So that's what is going to happen in Bitcoin. And now we will discuss about our Bitcoin dominance chart. So this is our Bitcoin dominance 2 hour chart, and if you see this, this is our rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern. If Bitcoin dominance break this downtrend line, then it came under a bearish trend, and bearish trend of Bitcoin dominance is very good for altcoins, because if Bitcoin dominance dumps, then only altcoin pumps. If we convert this chart into 4 hour chart, then Bitcoin is still trading under this resistance zone that I told in my previous video also. If Bitcoin break this resistance zone, then it is not going to be good for altcoin. So Bitcoin dominance also needs to break this downtrend line and reject from this zone, then altcoins will pump very good. This is what going to happen in altcoin. Now let me give you one altcoin name that is very good for to take in our spot trading. So this is new. If we convert the chart to weekly time frame, so if you see this Neo is trading under this very strong support zone of weekly time frame. See, the chart time frame is very high, so the support zone is also very good. We saw many times pump from this zone. First we saw this pump, then we saw this pump. So if we highlight the pumps and the percentage, then we saw approx 160% pump from this zone one time, and next time we saw a very good pump of approx 266%. So you can expect this zone is very good for to take in our long. So you can join, you can take this Neo in your spot packs, and your entry will be somewhere around $6.1, and you can wait for this targets. This is our $17 targets. Then if you want to hold for some months, then you can wait for this target, that is $26 area. So this is a very good coin. If you want a good gem coin in your spot portfolio, then add this coin. If you want this type of regular updates, then you can join our Telegram channel also. And if you like the video, then hit the like button. And if you want this type of regular detailed update from videos form, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel.